Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here for, what am I here? the plan with me in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner for the week of August 4th through 11th. And I will be decorating with these patisserie stickers from the Giving Girl. Now, when I choose stickers, I don't necessarily choose stickers because of things that are happening this week, because if that was the case, then I would do road trip or mountains. But when I choose stickers based on one, what's in my stash, but two, what I feel like going with and what is currently inked for my pens, and these match that really, really well. So let's get started. Before I start, actually, I want to look at, and this is how I try and find which inks would go really, really well. I think I will definitely use the Leonardo Momento Zero in Andromeda with Rohrer and Klingner Alt Bordeaux. It's a little bit of a darker purple, but I think it'll go really well. And then I think a really good brown, and there's a few choices here. There could be my Le Bon 325 with Ferris Wheel Press Oyster Hour. That might actually be it. That might be the one, or even White Rabbit, but I'm using White Rabbit this week and I want to rotate them properly. Okay, so I think out of the ones that I'm going to use, okay, so going back to this week here, and always looking for these stickers because they seem to go really well with these. I went through some of the alcohol ink stickers that I had for According to Allie and see what I could use to go with it. I mean, those would look good, even those, and possibly even the rosé. So there's a few that I could choose from, so I don't necessarily have to use these, although I love using them. So let's go ahead and just use this one down at the bottom. And I currently have the house to myself. My husband has taken the kids to go see Despicable Me 4. Not really a movie that I want to see, and my husband just wanted to spend time with the kids, and I'm so grateful for him that he loves doing that. Let's put this here. Then let's take this lamp post and place it right there. Okay, then I feel like I can, let's see, I feel like these would go better with those ones, and I'm going to cut, well, no, I don't need to cut. I have this smaller one here that would go really well in that corner, and I'll place this bench. Ooh, that's quite the sticker. Hold on, it doesn't look like it was fully cut. Oh, it's okay. Oh, that's cute. Let's place it there. And then place another lamppost. Yeah, I got a few Oops Bags or Seconds stickers from the Giving Girl, and I love purchasing Oops stickers from shops because most of the time there's really not much wrong with them anyway, and it's great to be able to still support a shop. Okay, then what I really need are my tweezers, which over here. Okay, then I love all the little baked goods. Like, that is adorable, and that looks so yummy. Now I'm going to fill up this space down here with this girl. Oh yeah. Then I think I'm gonna put down this quote, "You are beautiful." This is also from According to Allie. And then I'm gonna place this one here with the patisserie. It's so cute. Oh, I love that. All right, now let's move to the top of the page. And then I can add one of these cut in half. Wow, I still have stickers on here from before. So which one do I want to cut in half? I think this one. Then place one on either side. So if my head is in this shot, I apologize. Then this one, it's not perfectly to the edge, but no big deal. And then this one here. There we go. All right, then I'll move that to the side here so that I know what I'm working with. I will place this girl, if I can peel her off. Or do I want to save her for a page? I'm thinking I could actually save a few pieces for another spread, or like in my dailies. So let's put this here. And then I think I'm gonna use up the rest of these stickers and then save this for my daily spread. So what I'll do with the remainder of the stickers is just spread them across the top, and then whatever is left over I'll probably place throughout the spread as well. Ooh, croissants. And you'll probably notice that I do most of the decorating along the top and on the bottom and leave a lot of space in the middle for my actual plans. And it works for me that way. That is now crooked, that I'm seeing that it's crooked. And then just a big fork. Where do I want to place the really big fork? Okay, let's place it next to the lamppost just to be funny. Okay, I'm gonna save these for when I'm done putting everything else in the spread. So, actually I just realized this whole corner is kind of empty. Let's put a couple of snacks there. And a plant. I like these stickers from the Giving Girl because they're so cute and tiny, and you can make them work with any spread. And I get such joy being, being able to finish a sticker sheet. Ooh, and all of these baked goods look so good. And lastly, the cupcake, and then the rest I can leave. Okay. Whoops. Cute. All right. Now, let's go into actually putting the functional pieces here. So in this sidebar, I'm going to, first I need my blotting paper. I am going to write down sleep. And this is where I keep track of my sleep score. 6, 5, 4, 3. And I get my sleep score from my Fitbit. And I keep track of it mostly so that I can figure out which behaviors are more conducive to a good night's sleep versus those that are not. Oops. Then underneath, I keep track of my workouts. Oh yeah, I love that color. And then I just keep track Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yes, I do work out every day, but I don't do weights every day. I do like a 30-minute, I do 2 30-minute upper body workouts twice a hold on. I do upper body twice a week and do lower body twice a week. So I'm doing weights 4 times a week, and each of those workouts are anywhere from 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, so then Monday, no work, it's a holiday. So I won't put anything in there yet. I'm supposed to have a manicure at 10, but I think I might, should I reschedule that? No, that will go in there. So let's get my mini icons here. There we go, my nails icon. Getting my manicure done again. I try to go every 3 weeks. And yeah, these are growing out a little bit. So let's use my Le Bon. I love this pen. It's so comfortable. 10 o'clock manicure. And then at the bottom of the page, I will do the to-do list, which will be the usual meal plan and order groceries. Then let's get these out of the way. Tuesday, work is from 9 to 5:30. And my schedule will be changing come mid-September once I am out of training. And I'm excited for that, actually, because I will have a very early shift. And that will be an adjustment. And I'm generally a morning person anyway, so having an early shift will be, I'll have to definitely switch things around, and Lucy will have to, I'll have to probably walk Lucy in at lunchtime or in the afternoons, but I'll be off earlier. Okay. Then, oh, Henry has his tutoring, and I don't know how to keep track of that. Maybe if yes. So maybe if I do, oh, I think just a book. We've hired a tutor for Henry once a week to help him with his French. He's great with his French pronunciation, but when it comes to his actual understanding of it, that's where he's struggling. So we're working on strategies for him. Okay. Then Wednesday, same work shift. And I don't use a ruler when drawing these lines out because I don't really care whether they're straight or not. And that sounds, I don't know if some people would be like, why don't you care? And really it's because for me, it doesn't have to be perfect. This spread, it looks great as it is. And sometimes if it's not completely perfect, that adds a little bit of character to the spread for me. So cleaning, cleaning, cleaning. And I am thankful to be able to have someone come and clean once a week because, or once a month, because it just helps me. Okay. Oh, here we go. Let's use, of course, a purple one. And there. So she's coming from 9 o'clock to 2. Okay. no other things that I need to worry about on that particular date. Oh my gosh, what a mess. Okay, then Thursday, my work shift starts a little earlier. Oh, I know what I also need to do probably Wednesday evening is go school supply shopping with the kids. And that is going to be super fun. It's gonna be interesting for sure. So I'm gonna put it for after dinner. But I like to go normally in the first week of August to get it over and done with. School supply shopping. This is just school supplies. This is not back to school clothes or anything. And they don't actually start school until after Labor Day, but I like to get it done early because if I wait, then basically everything will be gone, or it will just be so crazy busy if I go any later. And this month is already crazy busy for us. And then Thursday, like I said, I start work a little earlier because, you know, my new company have been so great with anything that I've had to move around or change or get requests for. And I'm so grateful to have this new company and this new job. Yeah, slightly unrelated. I heard not so great news from or about my previous employer that they just lay off quite a bunch, you know, a lot of people way in. And then Robert is going to pick up groceries. So yeah, this week I have been very grateful for my job and for the company that I work for. Just very, very grateful. And then place that here. I love how these little icons fit into the hourly boxes. Pick up groceries. And that evening we will also have to pack, but I will write that somewhere else. Okay, next. I'm also starting earlier on Friday, and it's only a half day. Because we are leaving for our little road trip over the weekend. I'm not gonna put a ton of plans here for the weekend just because it's kind of still up in the air, but we're leaving pretty much as soon as I'm done work, and we'll be back on the Sunday. So then last thing I'm gonna put is down here, which will be my habit tracker. So I'll put habits, and it's listening to my audiobook. Read 10 to 15 pages. I've been really bad at the last two, meditating and reading 10 to 15 pages of an actual book. I've been really good at listening to my audiobook daily, but actually sitting down and reading a book hasn't been great. All right, let me clean up. All right, so there's the overall finished spread. I love the, you know, the very calming purples, and it's just a very soothing spread. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.